Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download rent collection and reporting with Buildium easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Buildium website. Log in to your Buildium account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Properties tab located in the main menu. Select the property for which you want to download rent collection reports. In the Property dashboard, look for the Finances section. Click on the Rent Collection option within this section. You'll see a list of tenants and their payment statuses. Identify the specific tenant for whom you wish to download the report. Next, look for the Download or Export button on the page. Select the format in which you would like to download the report. Common formats include PDF or Excel, so choose the one that suits your needs best. After selecting the format, confirm your selection to initiate the download. The report will be compiled by Buildium. Once the report is ready, it will automatically download to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Open the file to review the details of the rent collection for that tenant. Ensure that all necessary information is included in the report. If needed, you can print or share the report directly from your device. Repeat this process for any additional tenants or properties as required. This concludes the steps to download rent collection and reporting using Buildium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.